Are you experiencing audio glitches or issues with voice chat in Call of Duty games on your iPhone? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll guide you through some solutions to fix the voice chat problems in Call of Duty Mobile using your iPhone. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Check your Call of Duty voice chat settings. Open Call of Duty Mobile on your iPhone. Once in the lobby, tap on the gear icon. Then, switch to the Audio and Graphics tab. You will see three options: Graphics, Audio, and Effects. Tap on Audio. Scroll down a bit. Here, you'll find options for voice chat, microphone, and team voice. Ensure all these options are turned on. Then, increase their volumes to 100. Close the settings and check if your issue is resolved. If not, proceed to the next solution. Solution 2. Check your microphone permissions. Open your iPhone settings. Then scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Find and tap on Microphone. Ensure that Call of Duty and other relevant apps have microphone access enabled. Check if the voice chat issue is resolved. Solution 3. Offload the Call of Duty mobile game. Open your iPhone settings. Then scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Find and tap on the Call of Duty mobile game. Then tap on Offload app. Confirm by tapping Offload app again. Reinstall the app. Check if this resolves the problem. So these are the steps to fix the voice chat not working issue in Call of Duty Mobile on your iPhone. If you still encounter any problems, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.